let me explain to you a couple of things what's going on. In 2014, which is basically when I started to learn about the Facebook advertising platform, a lot of brands were actually doing some incredible things organically, and they built some powerful social media channels just organically. At that point, a lot of pages that did not even need to invest money on advertising. That was actually something that it was doable. In 2014, the algorithm changed. Facebook needed to make money. They are a publicly traded company. They do have investors, meaning that they are required to make money, or else they plummet and they stop growing. It's what it is, guys. I mean, they're also running a business. If you guys are here with me, you are running a business. You need to make money. If you don't make money, guess what? You get shut down, right? The thing doesn't operate anymore without income. Cash is oxygen, cash is life. You needed to keep on expanding. That's just the way it is, right? So Facebook needed to make more money. What they did was for many years, they invested heavily on capturing attention. And they got billions of people. I mean, usually when you say billions, you are exaggerating, but not in this case. They actually got billions of people to get really obsessed about using the platform actively for their own entertainment. Once they did that, they gave us advertisers and brands the ability to reach them. And that's what I've been doing since 2014. I've been paying money through my brands and my clients to Facebook so they can actually put my messages in front of them, in front of these people that are using the platform. And in 2014, it became something that it was mandatory now. If you wanted to grow in social media, if you wanted to have a following, if you wanted to be able to create an impact in the current environment, you had to give Facebook some money. People were complaining. And while they were complaining, I was actually riding the wave, the advertising wave. And those are one of the things that I want to clarify with you guys today, because it's a very different thing to be a content creator versus being an advertiser, okay? Content creation and advertising are two separate subjects. That's just the reality. If you grab your phone or your camera or your video recording device or whatever it is that you have going on, and you just record content all day long, I mean, you can literally be recording content 16 hours a day, okay? I hear some people talking about just do a lot of content, just do a lot of content. Sure, it's important, but if you do content all day long, let's say 16 hours a day, for 2 years in a row, there is a likelihood that nobody will ever pay attention because you're not figuring out a very important element to content creation, and that is distribution of that content. Those are two separate subjects. It's two separate arts. You need to know how to create content, how to talk to a camera, how to talk to a microphone, how to take pictures, how to write articles. You need to know all of that. But now you also, together with that, need to learn how to distribute that, how to get that message in front of people so they can actually be engaged with your brand. So that's something for you to keep in mind overall, that it's not only about content creation. Both elements are really, really important.